The velocity time graph of a body moving in a straight line as shown in the figure. The displacement and distance. We have to calculate displacement and distance traveled by the body in 6 seconds. In 6 seconds. Here, they given velocity on the y-axis, time on the x-axis. Velocity on the y-axis, time on the x-axis. Now we are calculating what is the distance or displacement. What is the distance or displacement, we have to calculate it. Now distance is equal to displacement is equal to how we can calculate means by using of the area under the curve. See here, this is uniform velocity. When velocity on the y-axis, time on the x-axis means this is uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means acceleration is 0, slope is 0, but we are not calculating. You should not take the slope. See here, you have to remember every time I am saying this word. Slope means y-axis divided by x-axis, means simple 2 point difference between the 2 points on the y-axis divided by difference between the 2 points on the x-axis. So difference between the y-axis is nothing but a resultant is y-axis. The difference between the 2 points on the x-axis means that is nothing but a x-axis resultant. So y-axis divided by x-axis, that is the slope. Y-axis divided by x-axis means velocity divided by time is nothing but acceleration, but they are not asking acceleration, distance or displacement. Area under the curve, if I am taking area under the curve means, for example, this is rectangle is there. This rectangle is means length into breadth. This length is time and breadth is nothing but a velocity. Velocity into time is called displacement. So here we can calculate area under the curve means we can get displacement and distance. So I am writing it is area under the curve. This one first I am taking. See here, displacement is the vector quantity. Displacement is the vector quantity. Distance is the scalar quantity. First I am writing displacement. Displacement means first it is the here. What about this one? It is length 2 minus final position is 2, initial position is 0. 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0 into other 2 minus 0 is nothing but a 2. And this breadth is nothing but a 4 minus 0, that is 4 plus length into breadth, that is length into breadth. Next one, in the negative, displacement is the vector. So displacement can become as a negative also. Now this length is, I am writing this length is nothing but if this is 4. 4 minus 2, length is the 4 minus 2, length is 4 minus 2 is the 2. And what about this one? It is height is the, that is 0 minus 2 minus 0. Otherwise 2 minus 0 you can write it 2. But you have to write negative. That you have to write as a negative. Isn't it? Displacement is the vector quantity. Next one, it is the positive side, it is there. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is the 2. And breadth is nothing but a, this side it is 2 minus 0, that is 2. You can write displacement. Displacement is equal to 8 minus 4 plus 4. So get cancel, you can get 8 meters. Displacement is 8 meters. Now distance. See here, distance is the scalar quantity. It cannot be negative. So in this situation, this negative what we taken here, negative side we taken displacement negative. So if you taken this is positive means 8 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 16 meters. Distance is 16 meters, displacement is what they are asking, displacement and distance. Displacement we got it is 8 meters, distance we got it is 16 meters. So option 1 it is correct one.